So with running the functional test, I've already run through it a few times, but what all I did was I changed a few things in here. I'll go ahead and show you. Go to Edit, Create, and remember I've given you the source code for this already, so you can use that, and it's working. I didn't change anything in the source code. What I did do is I changed. I changed to the initialize C++.bat. I changed it to start test one, go back to zero. I set it back to zero. Then I set it to two. Set it back to zero. I set it to three, which is right here, and set it to zero. Then I go to four, and I just keep going. In the last one, I set it back to zero, right here, and I'll go here and I'll show you that it's working. So that you can see that. I'll go ahead and I'll put a serial number in. I'll just put FTW2258 like that. I'll go ahead and run the test. I'm also going to show you the scripts that it's running. So all I'm doing is I'm calling this. That's all I'm doing is changing the argument. One, I call this one, and I'm just changing it to two. I call this one right here. I'm changing it to 16. This one I'm changing it to 32, and then I just keep setting it back to zero on this one right here. That's the initialize. Now I'm setting the result to pass here. When you're running your other tests, like you're calling from another file or something, your test that you run, you'd want it set. You'd have a pass fail come out of your test, and you'd say set result to whatever your test result is, so that it'll send pass or fail to the CSV file. I'm going to show you that it works. I don't have a lot of time on this, so I'll go and close these down, and I'll go ahead and run it and show you that it's working. I'll also show you the CSV file. I'm going to do this really fast. It's in this area right here, and it's going to create this file when this test is finished. And it'll just keep creating new files each time. It'll keep appending. If it's a new file, to create a new file for a new test. Now I'll just go and run it really quick with a different file, and just to show you that it appends the file. And then the file will be right here. You can see it just created the file, and it shows you all the results right there. Time, date, stamp, everything you need on here, and the serial number of your result, and it shows the tests.